Got to locate another patio roof leak. Had to take down all the plywood to see where the leak was coming from. That's all fresh leak right there. That's all fresh water coming down. And I have a feeling I know where it's leaking, because I got use some cheap caulking. See where it's cracking up there already, and it's blistered underneath. It's cracking cheap caulking. So I'm pretty sure that's where it's leaking at. Go ahead and spray some water on there, see if I can pinpoint the leak.
Now notice that the leak is about 4 feet higher up the roof than where water's leaking out, but it's following a rafter downhill. That means you have to find where exactly the leak is. Water now is dripping down in multiple spots.
I gotta get as much of this old caulk off of here as I can. That's some cheap junk right there. Look at it. Hardly even being held on. I'll get back to you after I get this all cleaned up. Got this part cleaned up. I'm going to have to do this part now because it's going to lightning and raining. Not good. Don't want to get struck with lightning. That's gonna have to do for now. Go ahead and finish patching this roof. Get this old dried up caulking off of there. Try to clean some of this off. Put the new caulking on. Put it on pretty thick. 2 layers. Try to spread it out a little bit. All right, this part looks done. I gotta go down here, do that part next.
So on this last spot, I did the same thing I just got through doing. I removed the old caulk and then put down some new roof sealant.
Sun's out a little bit, so it should spread it out and seal it all pretty good. Hopefully I'm done. It won't leak anymore. Okay, it's been raining. So far, no leaks, no more leaking. So hopefully it's patched for good.